Good evening, I'm Charlie Chipmunk. It's Friday, October 21st, and this is P6B News in Austin, Texas, reporting on today's news. I turn now to Sally Squirrel, reporting on location in the Amazon Rainforest, where she is interviewing Frank Farmer and Leo Logger. Frank is a settler and Leo cuts down trees for a living. To you, Sally Squirrel.
Thanks, Charlie Chipmunk. So, tell me, Frank, how did you end up in the Amazon rainforest?
Well, in the 1960s, the Brazilian government gave free land to settlers to come and make their homes and plant crops in the rainforest.
How do you want to use the rainforest?
We use the land that logging companies clear to build our homes and plant our crops. Plant needs sun to grow, so we need the trees gone.
How's that working out for you?
The soil is poor, and the rain washes it away. The native people, the rubber tappers, and the ranchers want us to leave, but we have to feed our families.
Leo, tell me, how did you come to the rainforest?
Well, Sally Squirrel, in the 1960s we discovered there were mahogany and rosewood trees in the rainforest. They make beautiful furniture, so we harvest the trees and sell the wood to furniture manufacturers all over the world.
How do you use the land?
We clear-cut whole patches of rainforest. Then we pick out the good wood and keep it to sell, and we move to the next patch of forest.
How's that working out for you?
Well, many groups oppose the clear-cutting of the rainforest, but we're helping the economy grow. It creates jobs for people in the forestry industry, jobs like cutting down trees and hauling trees and chopping limbs off of trees and sawing trees up. And it also provides wood for Brazil's furniture factories and paper mills. It's a valuable economic activity. We earned more than $5 billion from our wood that we harvested. It's making life better for a lot of people.
All right, Charlie Chipmunk, this is Sally Squirrel returning to you in the studio from location in the Amazon rainforest.
Thank you, Sally. Our commentator, Robert Redwood, gives his viewpoint about the story and its implications. Thanks, Charlie. My opinion is that the logging companies need to pay the settlers to bring them only the mahogany and the rosewood. Then the forest wouldn't suffer from deforestation. I am glad the settlers are trying to support their families, but they need to learn how to fertilize the land they have and not keep clearing more land. We need to preserve the rainforest. Back to you, Charlie. Thank you, Robert. And that's the news on Friday, October 21st at P6B News. Join us at 11 for late breaking news and again tomorrow at 6.